morning, students. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Today we are going to start the new topic of your textbook, that is the beautiful names of Allah the Almighty, on textbook page number 9 till 10. And the learning objective for today, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn more about attributes of Allah through His descriptive names. Now students, open up your textbook, page number 9 and then page number 10 and have a look over it. Now I am going to discuss the main key points of the topic. First of all, I would like to explain the meaning of descriptive names. Descriptive names are those names which describe the quality of someone. And do you know that Allah Almighty has 99 descriptive names? You must be wondering why He has so many names. This is so because He is the master of numerous and countless qualities. And He has a different name to express His every unique quality. That's why He has so many descriptive names. Now I am going to giving you an example of a boy. For example, if a boy's name is Danish, has memorized the Holy Quran, so people would like to call him Hafiz. If he reads the Quran very well with Qirat, he is also called Qari. But I would like to explain this concept through this Venn diagram. As you can watch on your screen, I have written a name Danish. That is the boy's personal name. And as he has learned the Quran by heart, so that's why people used to call him Hafiz as well. And as he can read the Quran very well with Qirat, so that's why people also call him Qari. But Hafiz and Qari are not his personal names. These both are his descriptive names because these both names are describing his specific quality. That's why these names are descriptive name. Now I hope that it is clear to you the difference between the personal name and the descriptive names. That's nice. Now, in the very same way, Allah is the personal and unique name of Allah the Almighty. But He has 99 descriptive names. And every name describes a different quality. Like, Ar-Razzaq means the provider. We call Him Ar-Razzaq because Allah is the provider and sustainer of the whole universe. Similarly, there is another name, Al-Qadir, which means the all-powerful. We call Him Al-Qadiru because He has the power over whole universe. That's why we call Him Al-Qadiru. And as you know that Allah is the most merciful being. So that's why for this specific quality, we call Him Al-Rahim, which means the merciful. Now I hope you understand that what are the descriptive names and why Allah has so many descriptive names. Because every name is describing His specific excellent quality. Thus, all 99 names which describe excellent qualities of Allah are called descriptive names. And you know that there is another name used for these descriptive names of Allah. And the other name used for descriptive names is Asmaul Husna. Asmaul Husna is the other name which we can use for the descriptive names of Allah, but keep it in your mind that Asmaul Husna can be used only for the names of Allah, not for any other person. Is that clear to you? That's nice. Now students, do you know that in Tasmiyah means in Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, two specific descriptive names of Allah the Almighty are mentioned. And that descriptive names are Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim. Now I would like to recite Tasmiyah in front of you. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now as you can listen that the two descriptive names Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim are mentioned in Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Tasmiyah is the other name for Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And students, do you know about it that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said a person who memorizes all 99 names of Allah will go to heaven. That's why you must try to learn all 99 names of Allah. And these names are mostly mentioned at the end or at the start of your Holy Quran. Now, from today, you will try to learn these 99 descriptive names of Allah. Got it? Now move next. In the end of the lesson, there is a saying of Holy Quran is mentioned here. In the Holy Quran, Allah Almighty says, the most beautiful names belong to Allah. So call on Him by them. It means we should call Allah by His beautiful descriptive names as well. Got it? Now students, you are supposed to hold your pencil erasers in your hand, because I'm going to give you a task which is given at the end of textbook page number 10 in the exercise. Now you are supposed to fill in the blanks given in this exercise. Hold your pencils and try to answer on your own. Fill in the blanks. Blank number 1. He is means Allah. Okay, Allah is the master of numerous qualities and characteristics. Allah is the master of numerous qualities and characteristics. Students, try to write down the correct spellings. Now blank number 2 is the personal and unique name of Allah is Allah Almighty. You can also write Allah the Almighty. Got it? Now blank number 3, Allah the Almighty has dash over all things. Yes students, Allah the Almighty has power over all things. I hope you have understand and you have written these answers on your textbook page number 10. Excellent. Now students, I have planned some plenary questions for you to review all the lesson, and you must try to find out its answer on your own. Question number 1 is, what are the descriptive names of Allah are called? And what does descriptive names mean? Yes, as I have told you earlier that descriptive names of Allah are called Asmaul Husna. And descriptive names means those names which describe the quality of someone. Did you get the answer? Good. Now question number 2. Which two descriptive names of Allah Almighty are mentioned in Tasmiyah? Means in Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, which two descriptive names of Allah are mentioned? As I have told you earlier that in Tasmiyah, two specific descriptive names of Allah are mentioned, which are Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim. I hope you have understand the lesson and you have listened the lesson very attentively. Now students, you must try to read textbook page number 9 and 10 on your own again. Then this topic will be more clear to you. Got it? Now have a good day. Allah Hafiz.